Hi guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in. This channel will share methods on how to make money online. We also share remote jobs. So if you find this type of content interesting, do consider subscribing and turning on the post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. So judging from the title of this video today, I'll be sharing with you guys 5 platforms that will pay you to test webs and apps. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into it. So first is Userlytics, and this is how their website looks like. And you are going to be paid to test websites and apps, and you are going to be paid between $5 and $90 per test. Each test lasts for up to an hour, so it can be less than an hour, it can be up to an hour. So to get started, you will click on Get Paid to Test. So you will then land on this page. So you can do the test from your phone, your tablet, or computer. You can do it in your comfort of your own home or any other preferred location. You not only get paid to test, but you also learn something new every day. So to get started, you'll first sign up and complete your profile, and then you receive invitation to complete test. Once that is done, you will receive a payment. So next on the list is UTest. This one is slightly different from the previous one. You're not going to be testing apps and website, but instead you'll be finding bugs and things that are not working on your software, and you are going to be paid per bug. You will earn money while learning a new skill every day. So to get started with the application process, you will click on Become a U-Tester. So next is testing time, and testing time is going to pay you up to 50 euros for testing new products and services. All you have to do is to share your opinion and get paid for it. So as part of the application process, you'll first tell them about yourself, then they will invite you in a product, a testing or study. Then once that is approved, you will get paid. So to get started with the application process, you will click on sign up as a tester, and then you land on this page, this form. You will fill in your information. Next is user testing. You are going to test via your phone or computer, and you will share your thoughts while testing. So this is how it works. You first apply and you submit your email and take a quick practice test to join their network. And then number 2, you're going to browse and answer screening questions to match with test opportunities. Once that it's done, you will then start taking the test, which is like sharing your perspective. And then lastly, you start making money online. You get rewarded for all the tests you took. And then guys, I should tell you that they pay via PayPal, and it's only PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal account, you will have to create one. Next is Playtest Cloud. And this website, you are going to be paid to test new mobile games, and you are going to be paid $9 per 15 minutes a test. So to get started, you click on Become a Tester. You will land on this page and then fill in all the required information, then start testing games. And then fourth on the list is user fill. With user fill, you are going to be paid to test websites or apps, and you are going to be paid from $30 per test. So it's a minimum of $30 per test. So to get started, you will click on Start Testing. You will land on this page. You will fill all the necessary information, then sign up as a tester.